Here's something that's maybe a wee bit different. There's the main pond there, and then when I come around this way, you can see into the A field. And if you look closely, you can see the water is coming from the pond through here, and then it meanders through the bit in the middle of the A field and then wanders all the way over there. And if I come down here, you can see where the path that's wide enough for the golf cart, etc. It goes all the way around the outside of the wetland area, and then through the trees here. Just careful not to fall down. I'm going to see if we can see there. There, I think. I can't see what I'm pointing at, but I think that might be the gate that takes us into the Willowdale State Forest. But it's just a different view of what's at the back of, well, the house and really the back of the farm.